Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Truth of India. I am Sham and today we are talking about the most awaited budget smartphone, Redmi 15C. If you are planning to buy affordable phone with 5G support, a big battery, bigger display, this video made for you. So without wasting time, let's jump straight to the full review. The Redmi 15C comes with clean and modern design. The phone feels lightweight and comfortable to hold even with a big display. You get smooth matte finish on a back and minimal camera model and multiple color options that match your style. Overall, the phone looks premium for its price segment and will appeal to student and daily use customer. The Redmi 15C features 6.9-inch HD plus display, the big screen makes video streaming, social media and gaming more immersive. Color and decent viewing angles are good and the size alone makes the phone great for media consumers. If you love watching movies, YouTube, you will enjoy this display. Power. The Redmi 15C is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 6300 processor. The chipset delivers smooth performance for everyday tasks like WhatsApp, Instagram, YouTube, browsing, and regular multitasking. You also get RAM option like 4GB, 6GB, 8GB paired with 128GB storage with expandable micro SD support up to 1 TB. It offers reliable performance not for heavy gamers but perfect for normal users. Now back to the camera power. You get 15 MP main camera which clicks good photo in daylight. Colors look natural and details and decent for the price range. For selfie and video calls, there are 8 MP front camera which performs well enough for social media and every use. Low light camera performance is average but acceptable considering in the price segment. Now come to the battery power. One of the biggest highlight, the Redmi 15C packs a 6000 mAh battery. This phone easily lasts a full day even with heavy uses like video watching, calling and gaming. It also supports 33-watt fast charging, so charging time is faster compared to the other budget smartphone. If battery backup is your main priority, this phone shines in that department. And the connectivity and software, this is 5G smartphones. You will get faster internet speed when wherever 5G available. For software, the phone is expected to run on Android 15 based on HyperOS, which means clean UI, smooth animation, and regular updates. Now come to the price segment. This smartphone, Xiaomi Redmi 15C, going to launch in Indian market on 3rd December. Expected prices 4GB plus 128GB variant 12,499, 6GB plus 128GB variant around 13,499 and 8GB plus 128GB variant around 14,999. This makes the strong competitor under 15,000 segment. So who should buy this phone? This phone is perfect for student and daily users. People who want strong battery life, users who need 5G but don't want to spend too much, media lovers who enjoy watching video on big screen. You should skip if you want high-end gaming performance, flexible level camera quality. The Redmi 15C is a fantastic option for budget buyers. For the price, it gives you huge display, massive battery, good performance, and 5G support. If you need value of money, phone under 15,000, this is definitely worth considering. So don't wait, go for new Redmi 15C. So this is our full review of the Redmi 15C. Tell me in the comments, are you planning to buy this phone? If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more tech content. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Thank you so much.